Alright guys, this video you're about to see is going to be a hyperlapse at sunrise here in Richmond, Virginia. Alright, this is going to be a hyperlapse of a sunrise. It's a bit cloudy, so it's not going to be the best hyperlapse, but hey, you know what? I'm going to start the recording. I'm going to move my drone over a little bit. Move it over there. And I'm going to get up on this wall and get started. I'm just walking down this wall right now, and I am going to fly from right here. This will be a good spot to take off from. And you guys are wondering, are you crazy? Going to take off from here? Yes, I'm going to take off from here. The only concern I have right now is that it will slide off, but I don't think it will. We'll give it a go. Here we go.
Takeoff.
And there it is, right there, guys. And there's this sunrise right now. And this is where I'm standing, and I'm going to be kind of sitting here between these two things and just kind of flying along. There you go. That looks pretty cool. I like that view. We're dropping altitude. Everything's set to automatic, and there's the train. It's pretty good looking train. Things are looking pretty good, guys. See right there, I'm just sliding across. Looking pretty good. One nice thing about the Air 2S is that it's got some solid LEDs that you can see so well. I mean, see real well. Okay, so now I'm just going to yaw a little bit this way and just keep sliding. I mean, it looks really solid. No signal breakup or anything. And there I am, over the river, right where I want to be. Okay, so here's the gig, guys. I gotta wait for traffic to... Another train is coming. Wow. There's a train on the track. Know what I mean? So now we're going to go to the Hyperlapse. Yeah. And we're going to do free. Okay. And let's see. When I hit this one, I'm going to have to increase the video length to 15 seconds is what I want. Okay. Alright, so it just finished, and now it's going to render. So while it's creating the video, you can't record or anything, but I'm going to continue to fly back because I need to get back. Completed on the render, 90% now.
Video synthesis completed.
Okay, so now I'm just going to switch back to video mode here. Record and just boogie on back. 27% left on the battery, and this sunrise was not very dramatic today, guys, but it was actually pretty cool. So now I'm just gonna y'all left a little bit to give you this look. And I am cooking it now because I want to get back. %, on the battery, and there we are. I'm going to wait here for a little bit and take a look at the traffic. Oh yeah, we got a break coming up here in a minute, and I'm going to wait a little bit. Yeah, I'll make a dashboard here as soon as this white car leaves. Should be able to get through here now. Coming up. There's a black truck.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Made a dash across there like you were running across there. Now the sunrise is not what I expected today, but it's actually pretty decent. Pretty decent, guys, really is. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna walk back this way, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? And if you like the content of the channel, subscribe. If you think this video is worthy of, sharing, please do so. I mean, we spend a lot of time making these videos for you guys, and we appreciate a little bit of love back. All right. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay. Don't forget, in the description below, there's the affiliate links for all the products used to make this video. So I got to get this thing on the ground. and I will talk to you a little later.
Landing. Critically low battery.
Almost down. Rough landing. Yeah. As you can see, it was a little shallow water.